Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you a Wiz Cloud security tutorial for beginners. So first, what is this Wiz or Wiz Cloud? Wiz is a cloud native application protection platform or CNAPP that helps companies secure their cloud environments across AWS, Azure, GCP, and Kubernetes. It scans cloud infrastructure without agents, finds risks like vulnerabilities, misconfiguration, malware, and secrets, and shows you exactly how to fix them. Now, how Wiz works. So first is the API connection. Wiz connects to your cloud accounts through read-only APIs, no agents on your servers. Then, next is the scanning. It continuously scans your cloud resources, containers, VMs, databases, and even identities. Next, the prioritization. Wiz identifies the most critical risks, not just every small alert, but based on how exposed and exploitable they are. Then, for fix recommendations, it shows you clear step-by-step instructions to fix issues. Now, on getting started with Wiz, first set up your account. Go to wiz.io and request a demo or trial if you want to try it first. Then create your admin account. Choose your cloud providers like AWS, Azure, GCP, or others. Step 2. Connect your cloud environment. In Wiz, go to Settings, Cloud Accounts, and Add Cloud. Follow the guided step. For AWS, use CloudFormation template to create a Wiz role. For Azure, use an ARM template and assign reader roles. Then for GCP, provide a service account with limited permissions. Wiz does read-only access, safe for production. Now, to scan and discover these. First, scan. Once connected, Wiz immediately starts scanning your cloud. In a few minutes, you'll see vulnerabilities, misconfiguration, malware, secrets, and compliance issues. For SOC2, PCI, HIPAA, etc. Now, understand the Wiz dashboard. First is the security graph. Visual map showing all risks in your environment across apps, VMs, containers, identities, and networks. Next, critical risk section. Focus on toxic combinations like a public VM with a known vulnerability and admin access. And lastly, the projects or workspaces. Separate environments for cleaner management. Now, for prioritize and fix issues. Wiz shows attack paths, how a hacker could move through your system. Then, click into any risk to see why it matters, get step-by-step remediation advice, and understand which teams are responsible. Some tip is fix risks that are public-facing plus high severity first. Now, to set up alerts and integration. First, go to Settings, and then go to Integrations. Connect Wiz with Slack, Microsoft Teams for real-time alerts. Also with Jira, ServiceNow to create tickets, and SIEMs like Splunk or Sumo Logic. Set policies to trigger alerts for critical findings only. To maintain compliance, use built-in compliance framework like CIS benchmarks, SOC2, PCI DSS, then view compliance reports anytime then export them for audits. Now, some advice that I could give you is, first, scan new cloud accounts immediately. Next, Schedule a weekly reports to security teams. Third, enable auto triage. Wiz automatically downgrades low-impact findings. And lastly, train DevOps team to check Wiz before deploying a new resources. And that's basically it.